Hello everyone. In this class we are going to solve fourth problem of cost sheet. See here, from the following information prepare a cost sheet showing cost per unit and profit for the period. They are telling we have to calculate the cost per unit and as well as profit for the period. Opening stock of raw materials how much? 20,000. Purchase 1 lakh. Closing stock of raw materials 10,000 and direct wages 60,000 means if we add all these we will get prime cost. And next one, machine hours work 10,000 and machine hour rate that is rupees 1.25 per unit. So here rupees 1.25 into 10,000, that is our factory expenses, and after that office overhead 25% of works cost, and selling overhead is rupees 2 per unit. Here units produced and sold how much? 6,000 units. Means 6,000 into 2 for selling expenses. Next, rate of profit 20% on cost. Means here we have to calculate the profit. How we have to calculate the profit? After arriving total cost on that, we have to calculate the profit as 20% on total cost. This is very simple. In my previous classes I explained how to calculate the profit as a percentage of cost as well as on selling price. Please watch that classes and proceed with this one, and I will provide the link in the description box. Clear? Now let's solve the problem. See here, these all are same, means first we have to calculate the direct materials. See here, opening stock of raw materials how much? That is 20,000. Opening stock of materials is 20,000. Next one, for that we need to add purchase. Purchase of raw materials how much? That is rupees 1 lakh. Means 1,20,000. From this we need to deduct closing stock of raw materials. How much? That is rupees 10,000. Closing stock of raw materials is rupees 10,000. Then we will get raw materials consumed. So opening stock of raw materials 20,000 plus purchase 1 lakh minus closing stock 10,000 means rupees 1,10,000 is our raw materials consumed. So raw materials consumed is rupees 1,10,000. Now we will calculate the cost per unit. Cost per unit. See here, 20,000, that is opening stock of raw materials, and units produced how much? See here, units produced 6,000 units. 6,000 units means 20,000 divided by 6,000 means 3.33. 3.33. And purchase of raw materials 1 lakh divided by 6,000, that is 16.67. Next one, closing stock 10,000 divided by 6,000, 1.67. 1.67. Then we will get 3.33 plus 16.67 minus 1.67, that is equals to 18.33. 18.33 means 1,10,000 divided by 6,000. See here, 18.33. Clear? Next, what we have to do after materials plus direct wages. How much? That is rupees 60,000 is our direct wages, and direct expenses is not there. So direct material plus direct wages, that is equals to prime cost. So direct wages is 60,000. 60,000 divided by 6,000, that is equals to rupees 10, that is the cost per unit of direct wages. Now add direct materials and direct wages, that is our prime cost. 1,10,000 plus 60,000, that is rupees 1,70,000 is our prime cost, divided by 6,000. 28.33. 28.33 is our cost per unit of prime cost. After that we have to find out the factory cost, right? Factory add factory overheads. Here they said factory overheads, machine hours works 10,000 and machine hour rate 1.25 means 10,000 into 1.25, 10,000 into 1.25, 10,000 into 1.25, that is equals to rupees 12,500, 12,500, and cost per unit is divided by 6,000, 2.08, 2.08. So what is our prime factory cost? 1,70,000 plus 12,500, 1,82,500 is our factory cost or works cost, divided by 6,000 equals to 30.42, 30.42. Clear? Next, this is our factory cost. Next, administrative overheads. Administrative overheads, that is office overhead, 25% of works cost. Our works cost is how much? That is rupees 1,82,500 into 25%. 25 divided by 100. 1,82,500 into 25% means 45,625. 45,625 divided by 6,000 units, 7.60. 7.60. Here I have taken only 2 digits. Okay. So our cost of production is 1,82,500, that is our factory cost, plus administrative expenses 45,625 equals to 2,28,125. 2,28,125 divided by 6,000 units, 38.02. 38.02. Clear? Now lastly we need to add selling and distribution overhead. Here they said selling overhead rupees 2 per unit. For 1 unit rupees 2 and for 6,000 units how much? In this way we need to calculate. Means 6,000 into 2. 6,000 into 2. 2 6 are 12 means 12,000. 12,000 divided by 6,000, that is rupees 2 is our cost per unit. So add cost of production 2,28,125 plus 12,000 means our total cost or cost of sales is 2,40,125 divided by 6,000 units, 40.02. 40.02 is our cost per unit. See, this is our total cost. Now see here, rate of profit is 20% on cost, means here profit, that is equals to 20% of 2,40,125. Clear? Directly we need to calculate. Here profit is, that is not on selling price, means we need to apply the formula. But here they said profit, that is 20% on cost, means directly we need to calculate profit on cost, that is 2,40,125 into 20%, that is equals to 48,025. 48,025 divided by 6,000 units, that is equals to 8.00. Clear? So our sales, what is the formula of sales? Cost plus profit. See here, total cost plus profit, 2,40,125 plus 48,025, that is equals to 2,88,150. 2,88,150 is our sales divided by 6,000, that is equals to 48.02. Clear? See here, means here sales, that is more than cost, means it results into profit. In this way we need to calculate the profit on cost. In the previous class I explained how to calculate the profit on selling price, and I solved one problem also. I will give link in the description box. Okay, please watch that class also. Okay, how to calculate profit on the selling price. This is the cost sheet under profit calculation on cost. Clear? I hope this problem is clear to you all. If not, please leave a comment. Thank you.